Time for dinner. Oh wow, Mom. You guys scratched up your rice cooker. Let me buy you guys a new one. Mom, our new rice cooker came. Today I'll be testing out and reviewing the Comfee rice cooker. My parents' rice cooker, they've had it for a while, and I think they've used spoon or some metallic object to scrape it. So some of the non-stick coating has rubbed off. So that's why I decided to purchase this brand new rice cooker for them. It is the Comfee brand, and I've tested out their electric kettle, and it's good. So I trust the brand. You got the instructions manual. Don't worry, I'll cover most of the functions. Wow, look at that beautiful unit right there. And that's it inside the box. So this is the Comfee 8-in-1 stainless steel multi-cooker, but we'll be primarily using it as a rice cooker. Comes with this instructions guide. It's pretty much plug and play because you don't need additional assembly or additional items to get it functioning. There's the Comfee logo right there. This is the 5.2 quart or 10 cups uncooked, which means 20 cups cooked multi-cooker. All right, you see the brushed stainless steel finish right there. It is beautiful. You see the all 8 function right there. White rice, oatmeal, steam, brown rice, quinoa, saute, soup or stew, and keep warm. And you even has a delay 12-hour timer. And I appreciate definitely the cancel button too, because that always helps. I can't stand it when electronic products don't have a cancel or stop button. And on the top, you see the steam outlet. All right, and there's a warning that says do not touch, cover for, or obstruct this steam vent. It's important that you guys remember this. So let me show you the bottom. Also, you see these legs and also these rubber pads to prevent it from damaging your expensive kitchen tops. Some of you guys might have that expensive granite. And the cord is pretty much standard, not super long, not super short, just the right length. So let me open it up, press with this button, and unveil the interior. And let's go ahead and take a better look at this. This is where the steam vent goes. You have this rubber sealant, and this is probably non-stick auto, so making it easier to clean. Comes with this steam tray, perfect for vegetables, steaming vegetables. Here is a what's this? 1 cup measuring cup. Okay, important guide. You have 2 ladles, rice ladle and a soup ladle. All right. And here is the dishwasher safe bowl. Here what the bottom looks like. That is how it works. We all know this design from our standard rice cookers. And here's the 52 quart non-stick dishwasher safe bowl. You see that add rice first, water line, easily labeled. Definitely appreciate that non-stick coating. That's what it looks like. All right. By the way, this rice cooker has a built-in overheat protection, so you don't have to worry about it damaging yourself if you forget to turn off the power. And it's made of BPA-free food-grade material. Okay, so on the side, there's also additional steam collector, which you have to empty out periodically. Don't forget to do that. Easy to remove and put back. to empty and to put back. And for all of you technical junkies right there, here are some technical information. Uses 120 volts, 60 hertz, 860 watts. And that's the model number and the capacity. Alright, let's go ahead and connect the rice cooker to see what it looks like when it starts up. And right next to it is the 5.5 cup rice cooker that my parents have been using. Alright, as you can see, it's significantly larger size right here. This is almost double the size with the 10 cups. Alright, so the 8 functions that you see are on the front. You got the white rice, oatmeal, steam, brown rice, quinoa, saute, soup and stew, and warm, delay start, and cancel. So let me just walk you through the delay start. If you press that, you can delay from 1 hour all the way upwards to I think the maximum is 15 by increments of 10 minutes. See? Okay. So let's go ahead. And you also have the cancel button. I really like appliances that have a cancel button so you don't have to restart over again. So today I'm going to simply use this to cook 1 cup of steamed rice and put some vegetables on top to steam it. I'm not going to go through all of the functions for the sake of the video's time. This is the brand of rice I'll be using. It's called Lucky Rice, long grain, white rice. Here's what the grain looks like. So let's go ahead and put it in here and rinse it. So ratio is typically 2 parts of water for 1 part of rice. This is 1 cup. And there you see the rinsed rice. That's about 2-to-1 ratio. Now you can put the vegetables. Here I have some broccoli and also Brussels sprouts. You can put it as you're cooking it or later on when you don't want it as well done. I'm gonna decide to put it in later and also show you how it cooks. Alright, let's go ahead and close the lid and press the white rice. And then after a couple of seconds, I think it's going to confirm that, see, it's cooking. Alright, we're about at the 11-minute mark of cooking steamed rice. You see the steam coming up from the spout. I do notice a little bit of plasticky smell. Maybe it just takes a couple of tries of cooking before that runs its course. So I'm going to lift it up to show you guys the rice and also put in my vegetables to steam. That looks good right there. Looks like it's almost done. Okay, let it continue cooking. So when it's close to being done, it shows you down to the minutes. So we have 11 more minutes to go. So it looks like it takes about a half hour or so to cook steamed rice. All right, it's done. It beeps a couple of times. So about 30 minutes. I know I should keep it warm, but I just want to show you guys. Let's see the steamed vegetables. Wow, Mom, come take a look at the steamed vegetable. That looks good. Okay. Now let's check out the rice. Ooh wee. What do you guys think? I like my rice to be just the right amount of water, not too mushy, and this looks like perfect. Almost like fried rice quality. See that? Look at that. I can work with this. Wow. I'm surprised by how well it cooked the rice. So I'm pretty happy with this, guys. It's definitely affordable. So many functions to use as a multi-cooker. I'll definitely be using this mainly as a rice cooker, a steamer, and also in making soup. And maybe even the occasional porridge. So if you're in the market for a multi-cooker with a very nice stainless steel finish, with an accomplished brand, definitely check out the Comfee multi-cooker and make your life easier in the kitchen.